Today's video is on the top 3 best immersion blenders of 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I have included affiliate links below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Number 3, best budget, Cuisinart Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. So let's talk about this cool kitchen gadget, the Cuisinart 300 watt Smart Stick Hand Blender. It's pretty awesome because it's not only versatile, but also super durable. You can switch it from low to high speed in a jiffy. In our tests, the stainless steel Cuisinart Smart Stick did a great job. It blended a thick vegetable soup in just 90 seconds and crushed frozen fruit for a smoothie without any issues. Now, what's neat about this blender is its must-have features. First off, it's got this comfort grip handle that makes it easy to hold. Plus, there's a handy push button for continuous blending action. And get this, you can control the speed with a slide control, making it just right for whatever you're blending. Using it is a breeze. There's a simple on-off switch with a lock-unlock button. And the blending shaft, it's made of 8-inch stainless steel, which means it's perfect for making smooth purees, emulsifying stuff, or whipping up cream. You can get this hand blender with a whisk, chopper, and mixing cup. It's available in 2 colors and doesn't cost much. I tested it, and it performed well, so it's a great choice for the best value immersion blender. If I had to pick one thing I don't like about this cheap model, it's where they put the safety button. It's right above the power button, so it's a bit tricky to press both at the same time. But to be fair, the Cuisinart safety button is probably safer because it's hard to press accidentally. Number 2, best overall Vitamix Immersion Blender. So there's this immersion blender from Vitamix. It's pretty straightforward, nothing too fancy. You can count on it for solid performance. You know, when you want to blend up some healthy stuff like greens or frozen fruit, well, this blender handles that like a pro, giving you just the right texture every time. We tried it out, and let me tell you, it makes a mean berry smoothie, like thick and smooth, just the way you want it. But here's the kicker. It's not just for smoothies. Nope, it surprised us by whipping up some seriously tasty mayonnaise in just 2 minutes. And let me tell you, that mayo was silky smooth and bursting with flavor. And the best part, you can do all this right in your favorite container. There's no need to transfer stuff around. The speed settings are super easy to see thanks to these little light up indicators. No more guessing which button does what. The tip of the blade guard is coated in this scratch resistant material. What does that mean for you? Well, it means you can blend your soups right in the pot without worrying about scratching it up. Let's talk about the downsides of this immersion blender. One thing to keep in mind is that it's got the heaviest motor compared to the others we tested. Now, that might not be a big deal for some folks, but if you're not a fan of lugging around something on the heavier side, it's something to consider. So yeah, all in all, this blender is a pretty solid choice if you're in the market for one. Smoothies, mayo, soups, it's got you covered. Number 1, our pick, Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender. Making soup might seem easy, but sometimes it can be quite a hassle. You know, like when you're using one of those immersion blenders that are supposed to make things simpler, but end up causing more problems. Yeah, they can be a real pain, splattering soup everywhere, getting stuck at the bottom of the bowl, even scratching your pots. So, how do you make sure you get the right amount of power without all the headaches? Well, that's where the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender steps in. It's got this cool new blade system that tackles all those pesky issues. With its bell-shaped base and internal ribbing, it breaks suction for better control and smoother blending. And that's not all. The Breville Control Grip is like your blending buddy, always there to handle whatever you throw its way. Now, let's talk about those blades. They've got these internal ribs that create a little whirlwind inside your pot, making sure everything gets blended just right. Plus, with 15 different speeds to choose from, you can dial in the perfect texture every time. But wait, there's more. This bad boy packs a powerful 280 watt motor that ensures everything gets mixed evenly. Whether you're whipping up soups, sauces, or smoothies, the Breville control grip has got your back. And thanks to its comfy handle and trigger operation, you'll have no trouble keeping things steady, even when you're blending up a storm. And get this, it's been rated the best immersion blender by a top consumer magazine, beating out those fancy, expensive models. Plus, it's built to last, with stainless steel blades and a non-scratch base that won't wreck your pots. And with a 6-foot cord, you've got all the freedom of a cordless blender without the hassle of charging. This model also includes a food processor and whisk attachment, and all attachments are dishwasher safe. If you're not a fan of holding down a trigger the whole time you're blending, this might not be the blender for you. It requires constant pressure on the trigger, which could get tiring after a while. You wanted the best. You got it. That's it for the top 3 best immersion blenders of 2024. For more product info, check the affiliate links and our website, toppick3.com. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest product videos.